Hello friends, this is Dr. Ajay here again for teaching and learning with some more fun. Today we are going to learn about a wonderful student response system. Let me introduce Kahoot. Start learning with fun. Friends, with Kahoot, a teacher can get advanced tool to create interactive lessons that student will love. Friends, let me tell you that how popular is Kahoot. Friends, Kahoot is joined by more than 1 billion players a year. In United States, more than 50% of teachers use Kahoot for their teaching and learning. Kahoot have its players from 200 plus countries. It's amazing to hear that over 30 million public games are available with Kahoot. Friends, Kahoot makes so easy to create games and quizzes that it takes only few minutes to create a learning game or quiz. You can choose topic and language of your choice. It's so easy to host or share Kahoot just like a live game. You can share your quiz on big screen or can share a game with remote players. Playing Kahoot games is fun for your learners. All they just need to join your quiz with a pin provided by you as host and they can answer questions of your device. Friends, now Kahoot is used by many teachers to shake up usual assignments, instruct remotely, support exam preps, present content in a more engaging way, deepen understanding of your learners, increase class participation of your learners, and improves how much information students actually remember. Friends, Kahoot is free to use. With its basic feature, you can upgrade Kahoot to one of a premium plans to access advanced features. Friends, here let's go on to see my tutorial and learn how Kahoot works. So friends, stay with me. I am Dr. Ajay and you are going to learn Kahoot step by step. Thanks for watching and let's get started.